Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how you can insert and delete rows on Microsoft Excel. We're also going to talk about how you can hide some elements and unhide them also on Microsoft Excel. So it's going to be pretty interesting. For the purpose of this course, I have a little database here that you can see. And what we're going to do, we are going to insert columns. So to insert a column, it's pretty simple. You need to know, first of all, where you want to insert that column. So let's say I want to insert a new column here. So the way I'm going to proceed is pretty simple. You need, first of all, to click on the letter of the column that you want to move. And then simply click on the button, right, so you're going to right click, and go here and click on insert. And what you can see that happens is that a new column has been inserted right here. Please take note, when you will insert a column, it will always move to the right. And if you want to delete the column that you have just inserted, you can simply click on the button delete. So this is how you insert and delete a column. So if we try it out, we can do it in multiple places. So as you can see, I have inserted 2 columns here. It's possible also to do the same thing for lines. So to be able to do this, once again, we're going to proceed the same way. You can select a line, let's say the line here, and you can insert a line right there. So you can just go here and click on the insert button. And as you can see here, a line has been inserted. You can do this with not only one line or one column, but with multiple lines and columns at the same time. What do I mean by this? Is let's say I select 3 columns, I can select those 3 columns and insert. And as you can see, 3 lines have been inserted. The same thing for columns. I can select 3 columns here and simply click on the button insert. And as you can see, some other columns have been inserted. Now, if I want to delete everything that I have inserted, so I can just select them and click on the button delete. When you click on the delete button, what happens is that it will clear all the cells. Clear all the content inside of all the cells, and will simply delete the column as a whole. Now, let's say that you want to hide a certain line or a certain column, but you don't want to delete it. So let's say, for example, that line is part of a certain function or a certain formula, and you just don't want your client or the people to who you show your Excel file to see that column in particular. How you can hide that column. So it's pretty simple. That column or that line works the same way for both. It's pretty simple. The way we are going to proceed is simply select one column. So let's say I select this column right here. And then I will click on the insert, I'm gonna right click here. And then you can go right there and click on the hide button. And as you can see, this column has disappeared. So I can do this with pretty much all the columns that I want. So I can go here and click on hide. And as you can see, all my columns have disappeared, but they are not deleted. They are simply hidden. So to see them back, what I can do is I can simply select the places where they have been hidden and click on unhide. And as you can see, all the columns are coming back. I can do the same thing with lines, so let's do it just for the purpose of this tutorial. So we'll go here, we'll click on the hide button, and as you can see, all the lines have been hidden. And if I want to unhide them, I just go here and click on unhide. So this is basically how you can insert columns, delete columns, insert rows, delete rows, lines, and how you can hide or unhide your data on Microsoft Excel. So once again, if you have liked this video, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.